Welcome back students. Today we'll start Nutrition in Animals Part 2 Biology for class 7th. Nutrition in Human. Nutrition in human are derived as that they are omnivorous animals, means they can feed on both plants and animals, right? So the food the animal eats or the human eats are the complex, means they are taking the holozoic mode of nutrition. So when the human beings get the food in the complex form, it need to be broken down into the smaller molecules by using their digestive system. And the digestive system of human comprises of two groups of organ, that is alimentary canal and digestive glands. First, alimentary canal. So here is a picture of alimentary canal, and the alimentary canal is defined as a long coiled tube opens at both the end. It starts from the mouth and ends at the anus. So the alimentary canal is divided into following compartments. They are mouth and buccal cavity, esophagus or food pipe, stomach is followed by a small intestine, then large intestine, rectum, and then anus. So these are the various parts of the alimentary canal. Now the digestive glands. So what are the digestive glands? Digestive glands are the glands that store digestive juices or enzymes. And what are the enzymes? Enzymes are the biochemical molecules that helps in the breaking down of complex food into the simpler form. So what are those glands that produce enzyme? These glands are liver, pancreas, gallbladder, salivary glands. Now, nutrition in humans takes place in the following step. So, first step is ingestion. So, if we want to learn about ingestion, we should know the following parts. The mouth. We take or ingest food through our mouth, right? And the teeth, which is present inside the mouth, that it helps in breaking down the food from the complex form into the smaller pieces, right? And the tongue, which is present in the mouth, helps to move the food around the inside the mouth. Okay, then teeth, the teeth. So if we see this structure, this show the jaw, and they have the various sockets, and in each socket they have the different tooth in it. Okay, so teeth are located in our jaws, that is lower jaws and upper jaws in the mouth cavity, and each tooth is separated. Each tooth has a separate socket in the gums, and the function of this teeth can be as biting, chopping, tearing, and grinding of the food we eat, and the process is called chewing. Humans have two sets of teeth, milk teeth and permanent teeth. So what are milk teeth? This milk teeth grows during the infancy, and this milk teeth get fall off at the age of 6 to 8 years. We all have milk teeth and it got fall, and in that place the permanent teeth will grow. So these milk teeth are 20 in numbers. So the various types of milk teeth are incisors, canines, molars, and in the same way this arrangement can be seen in the lower teeth. When the milk teeth fall off, it is taken by the place is taken by the permanent teeth. They are 32 in number, and these are incisors, canines, premolars and molars, and the same arrangement can be seen in the lower jaws too. There are 4 types of teeth in humans. These are incisors, canine, premolars and molars. Here we are taking the examples of permanent teeth. First, incisor. So what are incisors? They have the sharp edge, or they are the sharp edge teeth. They are total 4 in number in each jaw, means on the upper jaws they are 4, and in lower jaws they are 4, and this used for cutting and biting. So they are total 8 in numbers. They are total 8 in numbers. Now next is canine. Canine are pointed teeth. Canines are pointed teeth, and they are 2 in number in each jaw. That means they are total 4 in numbers. The function of this canine the function of the canines are grasping and tearing. Next, premolars. If you see the premolars, their head are flat. Their head are flat, and they are 4 in numbers in each jaw. Again, total they are 8 in number, and the function of this premolar is grinding and chewing. Next to the premolar, we have molars, and if you see the molars have the wide grinding surface as compared to the premolars, and they are 6 in number in each jaw, means they are total 12 in numbers, and they help in grinding and chewing the food. So these are the 4 types of teeth that is present in the human, and they are total 32 in numbers if we talk about the permanent teeth. Now the tongue. So tongue is a muscular organ that helps to move and turn the food in the mouth while chewing. Okay. So it also helps in swallowing the food, and it has various taste buds. So depending on the location of the taste bud, they can be found in the different places of tongue. So first is bitter. So this bitter sense or bitter taste can be sensed at the back side of the tongue, and the sour taste can be sensed at the top sides of the tongue. Likewise, lower sides of the tongue can sense the salty taste, and the tip of the tongue can sense the sweet taste. So these are the various taste buds that sense the different taste. Now that's it for the day. Hope it is clear to you, and I'll meet you in next video lecture.